I'm Jacob Marietta from GreenTech San Jose, and I'm here kind of representing the relationship that we're developing with Raiven. The cool thing about GreenTech is we have about 110 sites nationwide, and we focus on servicing through local deliveries and kind of really establishing ourselves in local markets and figuring out how to service those people the best. Our main focus is solar, batteries, and anything that has to go along with that. We dabble in the finance side. We also do design services. And so kind of anything that encapsulates a solar install you can think of, we have our hands in it. Partnering with Raiven, we're focused on the battery portion now, which would be Tesla Powerwall 3s as well as Franklin batteries. That's the goal for us right now with Raiven, and we're trying to kind of get the name out to the Raiven market for GreenTech as well as for Franklin and Tesla. The team that Raiven has is just amazing to work with. They're very motivated to get our name out there as well as the name of the preferred vendors we have. Just a great experience overall and a lot of business generated already in a short amount of time. Raiven's great because they give us access to installers that maybe otherwise haven't heard of us or don't know the services we offer. And so it's been a huge, boost in kind of getting our name out there to people that we haven't gotten our names out to before. So that's been great. It gives you access to so many resources as far as, people that can get you the best information possible, as well as perfect marriage of information and price, I would say, and service, really.
Hi, my name's Madeline Propst. I work at GreenTech Renewables and run the San Jose location. We're the largest U.S. solar distribution company. Basically, it's supply chain management, and we really are trying to have the most benefit to our installer partners as we can. We've got tons of long-term partnerships with them. Design services is something that kind of was created in the last few years. We saw there was kind of a need for assistance on permitting and stamps, so that's a resource that we created, but really it's managing relationships with vendors, manufacturers, kind of providing the best support for our installers that we possibly can. As far as the opportunity with Raiven, it's kind of opening up access to that we might not have had to different electrical companies that are thinking about getting into solar or thinking about getting into batteries from across the whole country. So that's a pretty unique, setting that we're in here, and we're looking forward to, continuing that and helping these contractors, navigate solar coaster.